Bonjour à tous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to your favorite language learning channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. We have tons of easy and effective lessons for French learners like you. Today, we're learning a very useful French verb, penser, which means to think in English. This is a regular ER verb, and we'll learn how to conjugate it in the present tense, l'indicatif présent. Super easy and super important for daily conversations. Let's look at how to conjugate penser in the present tense, with English meanings for each one. Je pensais, I think. Tu penses, you think. Informal, il ou elle pense, he or she thinks. Nous pensons, we think. Vous pensez, you think. Formal or plural. Ils ou elles pensent, they think. Simple, right? Now, let's see how to use it in real-life sentences. Example 1. Je pense que le français est facile. I think that French is easy. Example 2. Tu penses à ton avenir? Are you thinking about your future? Example 3. Elle pense toujours à ses amis. She always thinks about her friends. Example 4. Nous pensons voyager en France. We are thinking of traveling to France. Example 5. Ils pensent que c'est une bonne idée. They think it's a good idea. Now, here's something cool. Sometimes, penser is used pronominally in French. For example, je me pense capable. That means, I think myself capable. But, you know, this pronominal form is less common and is usually used in poetic or formal language. So, for everyday conversation, it's best to stick to the normal form we just learned. Before you go, check out the video description below. You'll find the best collection of French learning books, dictionaries, and the most effective communicative course to boost your French skills. And yes, all at huge discounted prices. We've also added a specially designed self-guided French e-guide for CBSE and ICSE school students, perfect for exams and real-world communication. Need help? Contact details are in the description too. We're here to support your journey in mastering French. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe to Smart Learning Foreign Language for more fun and simple lessons. À bientôt. See you soon in the next video.